After Sonu Nigam, singer Adnan Sami has opened up on the issues plaguing India's entertainment industry. Taking to Instagram, Adnan shared a lengthy note throwing light on the discrimination that outsiders face. Today, after immense retrospection and self-reflection, I have decided to voice my thoughts on some matters plaguing our industry. I see around me names of industry leaders, veterans who through their talent and hard work have made a timeless place for themselves in this industry, used as mascots to prove the industry's acceptance of outsiders. Such people, including myself, came at a time when the seniors in Bollywood were seasoned, secure within and they respected talent and saw the value in developing and nurturing new talent for the growth of the industry. There are countless examples of outsiders and insiders in the past competing for positions and roles that were eventually rewarded on merit, whom today you look at as stars once banked upon by similar individuals who were willing to be fair and take that small risk for the bigger picture, he wrote. Adnan added, we have all been privy to how in recent times roles and positions have been rewarded, and the truth is we have turned a blind eye towards what impact that may be having on the overall culture of how our industry is looked at, and most importantly how unwelcoming it makes someone who may not have a lineage feel. To be fair, it is only natural for the audience to show an interest and love for children of artists whom they adore. However, to interpret that as a justified place and a right to feel entitled and crack distasteful inside jokes in award functions with incredible new artists as if they are giving you the so-called privilege to ridicule, humiliate and new talent, which by and large is usually far more talented than them, but they use such tactics in order to keep themselves insecurely secure only because they are so-called outsiders. Adnan emphasized on acknowledging talented people irrespective of whether he or she is outsider or not. Does this happen in the Oscars or BAFTAs? No. This is Bollywood. We have the biggest pool of people consisting of 1.3 billion people. What is most important is to acknowledge the incredible children who are truly gifted with talent, regardless of their pedigree, that nobody and absolutely nobody is entitled to anything. It is the audience who chooses who they want to see, and it should be the industry's duty to give the audience a chance to explore artists from all walks of life, and then they decide who they wish to watch or hear. I have nothing against anyone who deserves to be in a position as long as it wasn't snatched away from a more deserving hand based off privilege.